Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Danielle Naomi, and don't forget to subscribe because I post hair content every week. Okay, so in today's video I'll be showing y'all how I install from straight out the box to this for this wig. So this wig is from Beauty Forever Hair, as you can see from the title. Love Beauty Forever Hair. I will never stop saying that because they never disappoint. Okay, honey, they never disappoint. And this is their 13 by 4, really looking like a 13 by 6. Okay, 22 looking like a 24. Do you see what I'm saying? 150 looking like 180 density wig. This wig is really full yet really manageable, and it just looks so bomb from root to tip. The tips is not straggly, the ends are perfect. Like, I'm in love. So yeah, like I said, I showed y'all how to do exactly that as it relates to installing. I showed y'all how I cut my lace, which I never really do, and I decided not to do baby hairs this time around because honestly, ain't nobody got time. And it's hot too, girl. All you want to do is just lay your wig down right here and you out the door. This wig is completely glueless, so the sides aren't glued down or anything. And it really is a blessing because glue in this hot weather is not it, honey. So, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys how exactly I did all that I said before. Before I go, the links for this wig will be in the description box, as well as Beauty Forever's website, Instagram, my Instagram, Beauty Forever's social media platforms on a whole, so you can see them post gorgeous pictures of their gorgeous hair, as well as me post pictures of this hair on my page. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and let's get into this video. Hey mamas, so this is the wig fresh out the pack. This is the box. It came with this elastic band and this wig cap, which I don't need because I do have a wig cap under this. Okay, away out of the frame. Beautiful. This is how the wig came. This is the lace. Let me go ahead and put this lace down on my forehead so y'all could see it blends. It really does blend in. Because of the lighting, it's definitely looking a little bit ashy, but once I cut the lace off, which I'm about to do now, okay, so you guys see me cut the lace off camera. I did go ahead and tint it. Now I'm gonna just pull this wig forward. I'm gonna go in pretty much to create my part. Have to make sure it looks nice and straight. Now I'm gonna flatten my part. All I'm gonna use is my Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray on the part. Don't be afraid to go in, y'all. Now that I've done that, in order to open up my part a bit, I'm going to use a brush like this, and I'm gonna go in with a powder that is like my scalp, and just dabble it in the part. And just like that, our part is opened up a bit more. Love that for her. I'm screaming. I almost burnt myself. Child. Now that I'm done with doing that, I'm going to go in with straightening this hair. Even though it is already pretty bone straight out the box, I do want to touch it up a bit, especially in the front, because after bleaching it does, and washing it out, that little damp wet look, I don't like that. I need my hair to be super flat, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna take my Babyliss Titanium Pro. It's rubbing off, but it's Babyliss. Okay, honey, I paid coins for this. Titanium Pro flat iron with some Reza. So hold up. We got the Reza, honey, with some Reza in my hand, using this much, not a lot, touching at the top, touching where exactly I want it to be bone straight at, and I'm going to just focus my flat iron there and then just pass through a couple of times wherever else, which is all over the hair. So yeah, let's start at the top. And my iron is on 450 degrees, so we getting it bone straight. Okay, honey, do you see that? Just like that. Don't you just love that? Because I love that. And then in order to save a little bit of time with this video, so it could be short and straight to the point, I'm gonna do this side off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that I'm done straightening, in order to like finalize everything, I'm not going to do baby hairs on this unit because honestly I just don't feel like it. I am in the mood for natural, and natural is what I'm gonna be serving today. So in order to do natural, pretty much instead of using glue, I'm using Got2b Glued, which is technically hair gel and not hair glue. So in order to lift this up, it's gonna be lifted really easily, and all you have to use is water or even conditioner if it gets to a point where you can't really get it up. And I've never really had that issue before in life, so girl, hop on this wave. It's been around for the longest. It's the black Got2b gel. We looking busted, but I know it's quarantine, girl. Ain't nobody going out to buy nothing, so gonna just hold my comb here as I have my blow dryer on cool air and on high, the highest setting for it to dry properly. Now that it's dry, I'm gonna just comb these hairs back in place. Is it like this? Yeah, it's like this. And then again, I'm going to flatten the top with my Sebastian Shaper Plus and my hot comb. And just like that, we have our easy, natural looking, desired, bone straight, split in the middle, no baby hair style. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you Beauty Forever for sending this wig and sponsoring this video. I love this hair. The texture is everything. The density 150 is everything. And the length 22 inches, looking like a 24. Let me stand up, y'all. So this is it. This is where it stops at. Looking like 24 inches. Love it so much. And yeah, it's really nice and full. Love that for her. Okay, honey. Yes. So if you'd like to purchase this wig, the link will be in the description box. And if you'd like to purchase anything else off Beauty Forever's site, their website will be in the description box as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you lovely ladies in my next one.